Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Subject Code 22633, Semester 6. Dear students, today we have to study the prepare and report of maintenance of 33 by 11 kV substation. So this is the practical number 5th of electrical substation practices. As a technology developed for the consumption of the power and developing the electricity generating, transmitting and distributing, there are 3 steps for the proper electrification. These are the electric power generation, electric power transmission and electric power distribution. So these are the main things of electrical power systems as electrical power generation, electrical power transmission and electrical power distribution. The operation and the maintenance of 33 by 11 kV substation, then these are 3 systems as transmission as well as first things is that the electricity generation, electricity transmission and electricity distribution. These 3 are equally important for the proper electrification as electricity are the generated with the help of generating station. That type of the electricity are generated with the help of hydropower plant, with the help of nuclear power plant, with the help of gas power plant, with the help of different device which are used to generating the capacity of electricity, hydro, thermal, nuclear, biogas plant, wind power plant, solar power plant. So these are the different electrical power plant which generate the electricity. Then that type of the electricity are directly fed to the transmission station which transmit the electric power from one station to the another substation, and then that electricity is directly fed to the distribution substation. Distribution substation which divide the electricity with the help of different types of the feeder, and these electricity are delivered to the consumer as well as to the industry as per requirement of that consumer. So these 3 systems, generation, transmission and distribution are equally important for the proper electrification. Without any one of these 3, the electricity system will be incomplete. The Power Grid Company Limited, the name of that India Power Development Board, that is IBDB, wound company with only authorized company for the electric power in transmission sector in India. The name of company is that India Power Development Board, wound company which is only the authorized company for the electric power transmission sector in the India. Next, for the Rural Electrification Board, that is REB, has many substations all over the country which are connected through the distribution line, and these substations are known as the electrical substation. The Rural Electrification Board, that is REB, has the best and the very large electricity distribution network in all over the country, and the electric power plant are connected with the transmission line to assure the continuity of electric power with the help of Rural Electrification Board. Next, we have to see the which things are the important in electric power plant produce the power, so that power things are properly distributed. So these things are important in electrical system. As electricity is generated and that electricity are delivered with the power. Then the all power plant are the connected in the parallel with the transmission and the distribution line. Next, we have to see the AIS. AIS is nothing but air insulated switchgear, which is used in the switchyard. Every substation is controlled by the experienced manpower. So, experienced manpower are required for the control of electrical substation, including one in charge, then 2 or 3 engineers, then also required 4 or 5 technical staffs. So, these important manpower are required for the control of electrical substation. The all kind of the maintenance work of the substation done by them in addition with the electrical power system. Electrical substation operation work done by the engineers. So maintenance of the electrical substation are carried out with the help of the engineers, technical staffs and in charge. Every year, the annual maintenance work in electrical substation and every substation in according to the official schedule. It may be the periodically maintenance, it may be the monthly maintenance, it may be the weekly maintenance, it may be yearly maintenance. So proper schedule of that is essential, and then with that we have to provide the proper maintenance to the electrical substation. So this is important things for the maintenance of electrical substation, and these things are prepared in accordance with the operation as well as the maintenance of and these things is useful for the procedure of 33 by 11 kV substation, including emergency maintenance work also. So different types of the maintenance things are the required. Then breakdown maintenance, then weekly maintenance, then periodically maintenance. So that different types of the maintenance are essential in electrical power systems. Before enter in the substation, we have to follow the all process. Just like inform the officer in charge or the operating person before enter inside the substation. Use the proper gloves, helmet, carry the earthing rod. So these all things are essential to maintenance things of electrical substation. Thank you, students.